Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to design these iOS liquid glass app bar actions in Flutter. So it's gonna be a simple video, very short. These are easy designs to make in Flutter so that your app can look and feel nice like a modern iOS liquid glass design. Let's dive in and I show you how to do this. So we will start by adding this package in your pubspec.yaml file. This is a library. It's called Adaptive Platform UI. So once you save that and the package is downloaded into your project, now let's begin in our main.dat file. Now here in our app, we are not going to be using the default material app. Here we're going to be using adaptive. Then inside our home page, which is a status widget, we're going to be using the adaptive scaffold instead of the default scaffold that we normally use in Flutter applications that don't target a specific platform. But since we are targeting the iOS liquid glass platform, we are going to be using the adaptive scaffold. So inside the adaptive app bar widget, we will need the actions, which in this video we are focusing on the actions. Then before we start writing the actions, we will need to put an if statement. Here we'll be looking at iOS 260 or higher. It's UI we are designing. And now we can start on building the actions themselves. Adaptive bar action. Start with the undo icon. Then here we'll have to pass the iOS symbol name. Which is arrow U-turn, the backward one. Then for the then we'll just copy this, make a second one which will be a U-turn forward action. Then here will be undo redo, same as the action, redo action clicked. Let's save this and see our changes. As you can see here, we already have the two buttons. Nice. So let's proceed and add in two more actions. For this one, let's do the share icon. So that will be a square and arrow up. Share icon, same as the debug print. Then lastly will be the ellipsis. The iOS symbol name is ellipsis dot etc. one. We are going to be using the etc. one. Then here we'll be having the more horizontal, and that's it. Let's save. That's it. Now, as you can see on up here, we have a range of 4 icons in one category. It's a 2 on the right, 2 on the left. So let's see how to do that, how to separate these two with the flex. So to do that, we'll come to the arrow forward action, which will be the last action on the left. So meaning these two, forward and backward, we need them to be aligned on the left, then the other share and move out on the right. So it means we have to break this whole section in the center, that is at this point. On this arrow, we'll add in more. We're adding we'll pass in an attribute which is called space after, then we call toolbar space type dot flexible. Okay, save that. Now for this kind of change to happen, the whole road will not be doing, meaning we need to do a restart. Let's restart the application. Voila, as you can see, we got two sections of these icons, the backward and the forward action on the left, then the share and more and the ellipsis on the right. So basically this is it. Now here you have your native liquid glass iOS top bar actions with the new iOS liquid glass style. And to make it look nice, let me just add in something here. Change this body into a stack, children, and inside here I'm just having an image. So let's do assets /img.png fit will be box fit dot fill. We want it to fill the whole application side, which is the whole body. Then here, for that to happen, we need to do something on the stack because it may not fill. So let's say fit start.expanded, save that, and voila, we have, here you go, we got our results as expected. We got our actions up there, all looking nice in liquid glass. So thanks you for watching. Catch you guys.